Hello all, welcome to my channel. If you are living in UK and trying to get a Schengen visa, then this video is for you. You might have seen many of your friends paying around £200 to an agent just for getting an appointment for Schengen visa biometric. In this video I am going to explain you the procedure how to get the appointment in a week's time, maybe in a couple of days as well. When I tried, I got the appointment in 3 days time. And got my visa in 19 days. The country I am talking about is Norway. Norway is not just a land of Vikings and Northern Lights. It's also a haven for seamless visa processing, making it a top choice for Indians seeking Schengen visas from the UK. So without wasting time, let's start. One of the major advantages of taking Schengen visa appointment through Norway is that you don't need to book a flight ticket or hotel booking before getting the appointment. Once you get the appointment date, then you can book the hotel and flight. First of all, you have to register in VFS Global website. I have given the link for the same in the description of this video. Register in this link using your email ID, password and phone number. After registering, you will get an email to activate the account. After activation, the next step is booking an appointment. I have given the link for the same in the description below. For booking an appointment, there are two visa centers in UK for Norway. One is Edinburgh, the second one is London. The visa category would be Schengen visa type C and the subcategory will be tourist visa. You can see that there is an appointment on 23rd of May, which is 5 days from the day I tried. Don't worry if you don't see any appointment dates. You can try the same process again in about 5 to 10 minutes. I can guarantee that you will get an appointment pretty soon. Once after you see the appointment date, click on proceed. In the next page you have to give all your details as in your passport, that is first name, last name, nationality, passport number, mobile number and email. Click continue for paying the fees of £23.5. After selecting the timing on the available date, proceed with payment. Select the available timing and proceed. You will get a confirmation email telling about the checklist as well as next steps. In most of the access you will be getting back your passport with visa in 15 days, but to reduce the risk it is always best to plan your trip after 30 days from the visa appointment date. The next step of the process is booking flight and hotel tickets. For flight bookings I prefer Skyscanner. You will be getting all the cheapest options there. Here just select from as London and to as Norway on your planned trip date and proceed with the booking. The flights from London Stansted or London Luton Airport will be always cheaper than the ones from Heathrow. It is also easy to reach these two airports from London with train or bus. Once after the flight bookings are done, go to booking.com or Agoda for booking the hotels. You can select the lowest to highest price filter for getting cheap hostels. There will always be free cancellation options in both of these websites. Select your dates and go ahead with the booking. Take a printout of both flight and accommodation bookings for taking to the visa appointment center. The next and the most important part is filling your application form and payment of fees. I have given the website link for filling application in description below. Fill the country you are applying from as United Kingdom. Go to online registration and payment. Give your citizenship. Select visitor visa for Norway. Select Tourism and click on How to apply. Give country you are applying from as United Kingdom. Click on Go to Application Form. Here also you need to create a new account using your email ID. Create a new account and activate it using the email you receive. Log in again in the same link using the account created. And start filling all your details including the travel date and the duration of the stay. If you already had a Schengen visa before, you can enter the details as well. You can also select which all countries you are planning to visit once you get the Schengen visa. One important thing is that you have to always select multiple entries while applying. Fill in all your details with care. Once you fill in all the details, validate it once again and proceed to the payment to complete the application form. You will also be receiving an email on successful payment that your application is complete and payment is successful. You have to take a printout of the successful payment page for your visa appointment to VFS. Next is taking travel insurance for the Schengen. For taking a European travel insurance, just Google it and go to comparethemarket.com. In this website you can get quotes from different insurance providers and take the one which you want. The insurance start date you can mention as your travel date. Additional insurance options: gadget cover, cruise cover, winter sports cover and business trip cover are all optional. If you select them, the cost of the insurance may increase. You can select them if you require. I haven't selected them and I got the annual insurance of £12. Here you can get 1 year full travel insurance from as low as £12. Give all your details and proceed with the payment for taking the insurance. Take a printout of the policy PDF which you will get after the payment and keep it ready for the visa appointment. Now let's see what all documents you need to take during your appointment to the visa center. Your original passport, and it should have at least 2 blank pages and should be issued within last 10 years with the minimum 3 months validity. Next, your UK BRP card. 1 photo which is not older than 6 months. A printout of the application form which you have already filled in the website of Norway Embassy. Confirmation of the fees paid from OD online portal which you will be getting after filling the application form and fees payment. Travel insurance printout. Flight ticket printouts. UK bank statement for 3 months. If you have credit card, 3 month statements, else not required. Hotel booking printouts. If you're employed, a letter from your organization. If you are a student, a letter from your college or university. Take a printout of this checklist also for the appointment. And finally, one thing which is not mentioned here is a cover letter. Generating a cover letter is very easy. You just need to give your details in ChatGPT and it will auto-generate a cover letter for you. Take a printout of this cover letter by editing your details and carry the same along with all the other documents for the visa appointment. Hope this video was useful. If you have any queries, please comment, I'll try to get it answered. Thank you so much for watching the video.